What's up guys, welcome back to another quick video. It's Alex over here in the last Let's Ride Garage, and this is just a quick video because I just got something in the mail, and this is something that I think I haven't opened it. I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing and then we'll go over that later on. If this is what I think it is, I actually ordered this in November 21st and today is January the 4th. So it took like a month and a half to get here. I ordered it from AliExpress. But without further ado, let's get right into it. And it comes in a box like this. You know it's from China because of the tape. While I'm opening this thing up, please go ahead and consider subscribing. Like I said, if you wanna, this is what it is and you're interested in this, I'll leave an affiliate link in the description below. And if it is what it is, I'll leave the affiliate for AliExpress as well as from the Amazon Amazon link. It's a little more expensive if this is what I think it is. The box I think is too small for what I think it is. But like I said, Amazon has it as well. And on Amazon, it comes in way faster than what it does over here. But I just wanted to know because I just got this today and I think it is. I think it is. Let me get this thing out. By the way, the box is pretty bent up. Like way too bent up. You can see. So squished in. It came on a ship. That's all I can say. I can say because the tracking still shows that it's stock and customs. The last thing that I saw, it was that I was coming on a ship. And the last tracking that I had, it said December 19, and that said it was preparing to dock. That's all I had. And I've been checking back on it and never got anything back from anybody. But it finally made it here. And as you can see by this right here, yes, it is a frame. I hope it's the complete frame because the way this thing is packed, it looks kind of weird. The box is way too small. I really hope that it doesn't come damaged. I think this is gonna be the headset. Let me see if I can lower this thing down. You guys can see better. Oh, this right here, apparently is the through axle. And by that, you know that this is gonna be a boost frame. This is the rear axle. It comes with a headset, bushings. It's a pretty good looking headset. Shank gear. And apparently it's a 44-55 headset. What I wanna look is this thing up. Pretty well wrapped. Give you that. Let me finish unwrapping this thing up and I'll be back with you. All right, so this is why the box looks so small. It came in coiled up like this. So again, once you stretch this out and connect the linkage, it looks like a bike frame. Let me see if I can set it up real quick. All right, much better. It's a matte black frame and it's all bearings. That's what I liked about it. I got it for less than $360. And I guess I gotta say thanks to Charlie Keogh, because he did a video about this one, but this is a 29 frame. He actually got a 27.5. And this right here, my friends, is the reason why I got rid of the Axum. This, my friends, is the reason why I got that shock and some other parts. So all we have to do now, well, not we, you, all you have to do now is actually subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you can stay up to date with this build. It'll be a fun build. It'll take me a little while to do this build, but I think it's gonna be a pretty darn fun build. I'll probably make another video about the specifics, all the specifications and everything about this bike. It's a Shimano frame. Again, I'll leave affiliates in the description below. It is pretty good, progressive or modern geometry. That's what I liked about it. I was researching something like this over a year ago, but the geometry did not convince me, and this one for less than $350 looks like a really solid deal. So again, that's just a quick unwrapping. I hope that I'm pretty glad this thing showed up. And other than that, if you don't want to miss what's coming up, please subscribe, turn that notification bell on, and if you want to support the channel as usual, check the affiliates in the description below, and let's ride.